Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all how to lose weight fast with oats and eggs diet plan, with the help of which you'll be able to lose 3 kgs in 7 days very quickly. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great transformation happening for themselves, and so can you. So for personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and get the summer body ready before the summer hits. Oats are a great source of fiber, protein, magnesium, calcium, and at the same time potassium as well. And eggs, super great source of protein, helps maintain muscle mass in the body and does not let the muscle loss in any condition, and helps to suppress your appetite in such a way that you don't feel hungry for a longer time of the day. And this diet plan will contain these 2 ingredients to help you lose weight fast very quickly. So without any delay, let's get started with how to lose weight fast with oats and eggs to help you lose 3 kgs in 7 days very quickly. Starting with the early morning drink. For early morning drink, we'll have warm lemon water. All you have to do is simply add 1 lemon squeeze to 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it empty stomach in the morning itself. Lemon helps in detoxifying your system very quickly. People suffering from dehydration or inflammation should definitely try having this drink in the morning itself to relieve all of it very quickly. And vitamin C in lemon helps to give you all the skin benefits as well. If you cannot have this because of acid reflux or because of any condition, then you can always have ajwain or jeera water. All you have to do is simply boil 1 teaspoon of ajwain or jeera in 1 glass of lukewarm water and boil it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes and have it empty stomach sip by sip. This tea basically helps to remove all the water retention, bloating and swelling in the body very quickly, and hence great for all the bloated women out there. Proceeding towards our breakfast option for this diet plan, which will be veggie omelette prepared with 3 to 4 egg whites, and along with that make sure to at least add 4 to 5 veggies to it, like spinach, corn, mushrooms, onion, bell peppers, capsicum, whatever is seasonally available with you. Just add it to the veggie omelette and prepare it in a very fibrous manner. Getting all the proteins in the morning itself is very important. Along with that, you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to add no sugar to it at all of any kind. No refined sugar for this diet plan to make sure that we lose weight fast very quickly. You can have green tea or peppermint tea as well if you cannot have tea or coffee. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack, which we'll have between our breakfast and lunch, which is very important meal to boost your metabolism all the time, and at the same time you should not feel hungry every 2 hours. Any seasonal fruit of your own choice should be your meal for this snack. All you have to do is get any seasonal fruit, for example pineapple, apple, papaya, pomegranate, even banana can be added to this meal, but make sure to have only 1 banana and not more than that, and enjoy your mid-morning snack with fruits. Proceeding towards our lunch option for this diet plan, and as usual 1 hour before our lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Add 2 teaspoons of Eat More Lose More's apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it before your lunch. Why do we have this before our lunch is it does not allow the blood sugar to spike when it comes to your lunch intake. At the same time, boosts your metabolism for the entire day very easily and flushes out all the bad toxins from your body as soon as it sees any. And now let's proceed towards our lunch option for this diet plan, which will be oats, but we'll have it in 3 types. The first option or the first choice of yours is you can have oatmeal with fruits. The recipe of my oatmeal with fruits is yet again here on my channel, and super easy to prepare and gluten-free in nature also. Second option is you can have masala oats or veggie oats. The recipe for my veggie oats is here, super easy to prepare and very nutritious as well, because it contains lots of vegetables with it, which helps you to kickstart your veggie intake of the lunch as well. Third option is for all the roti lovers out there. If you definitely want to have roti for your lunch, then this roti option is best for you. It will not spike your sugar level, at the same time good for weight loss as well. Here is the recipe of gluten-free oats roti, which gives you good skin benefits and iron benefits as well because it contains beetroot in it. Your soft dough is ready. All you have to do is to sprinkle little oats flour over it and prepare chapatis with this flour. Trust me, it will come out so tasty and at the same point very healthy in each and every manner. They are soft in nature and very amazing to eat. Along with that, you can have any seasonal sabzi or vegetable or curry as well. And along with that, you can have curd and salad as per your size. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack for this diet plan to help you lose 3 kgs in 7 days very quickly. For this, you can have 1 cup of matcha tea. Now 1 cup of detox matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. The antioxidant level is very high, which helps you to quick belly fat results, and at the same time, if you want to see a very good weight loss in less time, this tea is your go-to drink for it. The link to buy detox matcha tea is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily and enjoy your weight loss journey with superb results. If you cannot have this, then you can always have tea or coffee as per your own preference, but make sure to add no refined sugar or any kind of sugar or sweetener to it at all. Along with that, you can even have 30 grams of high protein seed mix or 30 grams of roasted peanuts, but no salt to be added of any kind over it. Now let's proceed towards our dinner option to help you lose 3 kgs in 7 days very easily. For dinner, we'll have 3 boiled egg whites with salad, in which you can add lettuce, cucumber, tomato, onion, bell peppers or even boiled broccoli, and have a good full portion of it to not make you feel hungry for the entire night. Now this is a great fiber rich, at the same time high protein dinner recipe for you. But make sure to add no raw salt of any kind over this salad. You can always season it with Greek yogurt, olive oil or lemon juice, black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder, oregano, chili flakes, thyme, parsley, Italian seasoning, and enjoy a delicious, no salt but yet very high fiber and nutritious salad. Proceeding towards the second option, which you can have again boiled eggs with stir fry veggies or grilled veggies. The recipe for my stir fry or grilled veggies is yet again upon my channel, and here is the complete recipe of it, in which I've added here broccoli, mushroom, capsicum, onion, bell peppers and have it along with 3 boiled egg whites, and you will love having this for dinner option because it is fiber rich, great for your weight loss and does not make you feel hungry for the entire night as well. And now let's proceed towards our bedtime drink, which is very important when it comes to your weight loss journey. If you're suffering from insomnia, then you should definitely have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, which helps to relieve all the stress of the entire day, and at the same time great for skin benefits and detox benefits as well. The recipe or the link to buy best organic pure Himalayan chamomile tea is given in the description box below, and you can buy it online very easily. If you cannot have this, you can always have ajwain or jeera tea again, and make sure to have it warm in nature. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 3 to 4 liters of normal room temperature water to give you good hydration properties, to remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly, and also to give you good skin benefits as well. For personalized or customized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelose7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin your weight loss journey and get summer ready before the summers hit. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or any of the diet plans, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More, and check out my Hindi channel as well. The link to Hindi channel is given in the description box below, and you can check it online very easily. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.